Over to the left there, you can see there's a bottle shop, BWS, just in case you need a bit of Dutch courage before travelling on public transport in Melbourne. I can understand that. Another squeaky escalator as we make it to the top level coming up here where you do the ticketing. Now the real fun begins as I prepare to touch on using my Mikey card, which is used for public transport. Swipe it over there like this. Actually worked this time. Well, miracles can happen. Yes, the Mikey homegrown ticketing system costs the Victorian taxpayer $1.5 billion in total. It's estimated we could have got an off-the-shelf system from the UK for about 300 mil. So not the best piece of accountancy out there. But you know, Victoria's good at wasting money. We've paid $5.7 billion for a diesel plant, hasn't produced a drop of water so far. And we've paid $1.1 billion not to build a major connecting road between freeways. Well, I don't get it. Anyway, the trains seem to run reasonably well. Mind you, I don't travel on these trains during peak hours, so it's really unfair to judge because people are packed in like sardines. Here we are at the Clifton Hill railway station, quite quaint. Again, having to just touch off the Mikey. That worked as well also, so that's good. Just walking to a friend of mine, Jeff's place, on a sunny Australia day, 26th of January. We've had such a shocking summer, it's actually nice to have some decent weather. He lives in Clifton Hill, quite an upmarket area. I think there'd be very few houses you could get here for less than $1 million. Quite expensive. It's next door to where I used to live. My suburb is North Fitzroy, where I used to have my house, so it wasn't too far away. Would have been a good investment to hold on to it, but who was to know that prices would keep going up like that? Absolutely insane. The proverbial is going to hit the fan if the mortgage rates go up, though, I'll tell you. They're very low at the moment. It's the only reason these people can keep paying mortgages if they've got them. Good luck with that. Anyway, just enjoy the day. Beautiful.